Basically, the cool thing about this particular method of generating leads for your business is that it's actually free to use, and just need some search query, just need a search query and a chat GPT prompt to actually make this possible. And you can do it in matters of seconds and minutes, and then chat GPT will clean it up for you, do all the hard work, clean up the mess, and everything will just be clean, and you can now transfer it to your Google Sheets for storage purposes. So for this particular video, what we are going to need for this particular method of generating leads, what you are going to need is the Google search engine, your chat GPT, and your spreadsheets. That's also what you need. My name is Ken, and in this channel I help people make use of AI tools to be more productive and also to earn income while using AI tools. So be sure to check the link in the description where you can get join my WhatsApp channel, where I'll be sharing daily tips and tricks on how to use this AI to actually be more productive and to earn income. All right, so let's move right to the video without wasting much time. So I'll show you the step by step on how you can generate leads for your business in minutes.
Okay, so the first thing we are going to need here is the search query on Google. We need a search query on Google, and this is an example of a search query on that we're going to be typing on Google, and that is it consists of the site, um, the profession, and that is like the site. It could be on whether you're trying to get leads from Instagram, from Facebook, or from LinkedIn. And then the profession, it could be whatever niche you are looking out for. Maybe like be a surgeon, dental, life coach, um, you know, or any niche in general. You get. So then we need these people's emails. So for the emails, we need their like Gmail, or if they use Yahoo Mail, or if they use Hotmail, or what have you. That is why we are putting this or, in between the different uh, email extension you get. So this example here is Instagram. So what we do here is we're going to copy this and we'll paste it on Google so that we can search for it for Google to give us a result. So let's do that. So we're going to paste that on Google search engine. Now you notice that we're giving only one result here, and that's because of we included this the site, that word site on the um search query. So we're going to actually remove that site, the word site there, so that we can get more search results. And then we're going to change this the niche here to fitness coaches. So we're trying to get leads of fitness coaches from Instagram. Remember that you can do this. You can also change the um, sites from Instagram to Facebook or to LinkedIn, or from whatever site that you want to get it from. So now, when we want to copy this now, we just copy from the Instagram. Don't include that site. Just copy from the Instagram and then to the last letter there, and then copy it, and then now we paste it on Google. And let's see the result is going to give us this time around. All right, so we click on enter. Now you can see now we're giving better results now. You see, so this is what we are going to be working with now. There are several pages, up to 10 pages here, so we can do it as in, after copying this page you can copy the other pages too, continuously to get as much leads as you want for your business. So we click on Control A here, that is to highlight all, and then just copy it, and then go to Chat GPT and then paste it. So, but before we actually run this, we need a Chat GPT prompt. We need to include a Chat GPT prompt into this before clicking on enter. So let's go back to our to our Google Sheets here. So you see this Chat GPT prompt: format the data below into a table with these columns: the full name, the company name, the website, the URL, email, phone number. So it is this particular prompt that is going to clean this data for us and put it in a tabular format. So we're going to put that um, ChatGPT prompt at the beginning of the sentence before we click on enter. This way, ChatGPT will know what you are requesting of it. And yeah, you clean that ChatGPT prompt. You don't need that included in the prompt. Okay. So the prompt is starting from format to format, and then you click on enter. Now, when you click on enter, ChatGPT will do the hard work of cleaning up this data that was provided by Google, and also ChatGPT will put it in a tabular format for you. That's in a very clean format in seconds. So now we have the full name, the company name, the website, the email, and the phone number. Any of those documents or any of those details that were included in the that were included by those your future leads will be taken by ChatGPT and included. But if they were not given, like phone numbers, if they were not included in the Google, it will not come out in the ChatGPT will not put it include it there. So it's what we were given that ChatGPT will work with. You get. So whoever does not include a phone number, you can't get the phone number from thin air. It's just like that. But if the phone number was there, then it will also be there. So now we will just copy all this from ChatGPT, and then we can now put it in Google Sheets so that we can have a well presented data for storage purposes. And then that is where you can actually you know get in touch with those leads, your leads, from time to time. Remember that this process that we just did, you can replicate it by going to several pages in Google to collect from the other search results. And also you should know that this all this result that we are seeing here is just from Instagram. Remember that if you want to get from Facebook, if you want to get from LinkedIn, all you have to do is to edit the search query, change the sites. Just change the site from Instagram. You can change it to Facebook, and you also get all the leads that you are looking for from Facebook. If you're done with Facebook, you also go edit the prompt too and put on LinkedIn, and you get all those ones that you need from LinkedIn too.
So guys, you will agree with me that this particular method was very easy to understand and very fast to to carry out. You don't need to waste much time. And yeah, we've come to the end of today's video. And if you got value from this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel so you will receive the next videos that I release on a weekly basis. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.